Is your sliding gate getting stuck, noisy, or just not working the way it should? If you're in Sydney's eastern suburbs, like Bondi, Coogee, Randwick, or Vaucluse, this video will walk you through the most common sliding gate problems and how to avoid them. If your gate feels heavy or difficult to slide, the most likely cause is debris in the track. This is especially common in beachside areas like Bronte and Clovelly where sand builds up quickly. A simple clean-out every few weeks can make a huge difference. Gates that stop midway are often dealing with rust, poor alignment, or obstructions. Coastal air in places like Bay and Vaucluse can speed up corrosion. That's why aluminium gates are a smart, low-maintenance choice. Hearing grinding or squeaking noises? That usually means your gate needs lubrication or the rollers are wearing out. Regular servicing keeps everything running quietly and smoothly. If your automatic gate isn't responding, it could be a motor issue, power surge, or even just a flat remote battery. Routine checks and surge protection can help prevent costly repairs. Misaligned gates can cause long-term damage if left unchecked. This often happens due to poor installation or ground movement. Professional installation is key, especially in sloped areas like Randwick. To keep your sliding gate in top shape, clean the track regularly. Lubricate moving parts. Check alignment. Schedule routine servicing. A well-maintained sliding gate not only looks great but keeps your property secure and hassle-free. If you're in Bondi, Coogee, Bronte, Clovelly, Randwick, Bay or Vaucluse and need help with your sliding gate, Aluminium Fencing Sydney has you covered. Get in touch today for expert advice, repairs, or a new installation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more practical tips.